This is an installation guide for the SUN552 fan. First, drill the arms on the blades. Next, slide the down rod through the hole in the canopy. Then, slide the small cylindrical silver-colored piece over the down rod. Then thread the wire through the down rod. Next, take the peg out of the down rod. Put the down rod in the motor. Then there are 2 screws in the black piece of the motor. Tighten those screws around the down rod. Next, attach the blades by the arm to the bottom of the motor. Next, connect the wiring from the motor to the light kit and fasten the light kit onto the fan. Now you're ready to mount the fan to the ceiling and connect it to the power. This fan comes with a wall control 6. Here we are using the wall control 7BT. If you use the wall control 7BT, connect the light colored wires together and then connect to the power source. Slide the wall control in between the ceiling and the ceiling mount. After that, all you have to do is slide the canopy over the wires.